Yes, I'm at the Hard Rock in Times Square. So you know I'm hyped. Like, yes, I know I live in New York City, but what's wrong with getting away for a day to yourself? You don't have to worry about nothing. You can focus on your work. You know what I'm saying? So I am going to enjoy my night here. Um, yeah, I have a meeting in the morning, but listen, I'm gonna enjoy the vibe. The room's cool, a nice size, especially in New York City. The rooms are usually small, but this is a nice, comfortable size. So, welcome to the Hard Rock. This is the king room. So you enter, you see the bathroom. You guys can go in. It reminds me of the Hard Rock in Punta Cana. So I entered, the bathroom was right there to the left. So this is similar, right? So this is the sink right here, the body lotion. What's the mirror? And the towels in the room. And let's see what's in here. The hair dryer. Okay, turn. This is the bathroom part, you know, the toilet, all that good stuff. It's a sliding bathroom door. Let's take a look at the shower. Now, look at this shower. It's nice, people. Just look at the details. Ooh, I'll be ready to take a shower now. So this is a double shower head, right? So I'm gonna show you how to turn the shower. You turn it to the right, to the top, right? And then to the wall. Now you want to hang up one, you just turn this one, and that's it. That's how you turn on the shower. Let's check out. Also, when you enter the closet, it's right to the right. It comes with a robe. All right. Oh, and it's another mirror. A steamer. You have dirty clothes. They do also laundry. Let's check out the fees. This is you want dry cleaning, laundry, right here. And these are the drawers. No, I'm sorry, this is the safe box. And what's in the next drawer? Right, the drawer. All right, it's three. No, two to place the clothes. Okay. Let's move on. All right. Come with the water. I think it's free of charge. You don't have to pay for the water. Got the K-cups for coffee. We have a coffee drinker. So, and the creamers. It feels good in here, actually. AC is on. It feels great because it's so humid outside. Let's go down, dog. Oh, they actually have a yoga kit if you're interested, if you want to work out. Okay, another drawer. This is the refrigerator. It comes with a mini fridge. Okay, and this is the part that's cool. You want your privacy? You may like, I don't want to see your privacy, but look at this, y'all. Come on, is this so nice? So if that person wants some privacy in the bathroom, close the door, and they busy getting dressed, somehow want, you know, use the bathroom and take a shower, you close it again. Bam. All right, tell me what y'all think so far. So now let's go inside the room. A king bed. And look at the decor. Outlets. We have control of the lights. So look, this is the relax. See the change. This one relax. This is sleep. See that? And this is all on off. So again, welcome. That's a welcome. You'll relax, it dims, and then sleep. Ooh, okay. So you have control of that. Alright. See right there, nice size TV and more mirrors. Ow. Okay. And now, and some chairs so you can relax, have your drink, have some food, and also they have a menu for room service. Yes, they do have room service. Damn, very $20. Well, all right. Are you having questions? They have the answers. Let's talk about it. We are smoke free. Blah 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 blah. All right. And let's look at our view. Okay, it's all right. Not so big, but it's okay. It's New York City. But anyway, but yeah, this is the King Room located in Times Square. Well, King Room at Hard Rock in Times Square. All right, so thanks for watching.